Hi, my name is Mike. Thanks for joining me today on my channel, Technically Church, where I share over 20 years of experience in audio, video, lighting, and multimedia. You can always find out more on my website at technicallychurch.com. Let's jump in. In this video, we're going to talk about copying settings from one bus to another. So in my scenario, I have 6 in-ear monitors on buses 1 through 6 of the Behringer Wing, and I'm going to dial in the EQ for that wireless in-ear on my first wireless in-ear, and then I want to copy that over to the rest as a starting point. So I'm going to show you how to do a quick copy of these settings. All right, so jumping over to the board, I'm going to press my bus master to make sure I'm in the bus section, and you can see here buses 1 through 6. Are my wireless in-ears 1 through 6. So I'm going to select wireless in-ear 1, and you can see on the screen here I don't have an EQ set. So let's open that up, let's turn it on, and let's say in their ears we want to get rid of some of that low end just to keep it a little extra clear, and then just for exaggerated purposes so you can see what's going on, at 3K I'm just going to do a major boost. Again, this is just to illustrate so you can see the copy here. So if we go over to in-ear 2, you can see that there's no EQ there. So I'm going to go back to in-ear 1. You can see my exaggerated EQ. And let's say we want some compression in their ears as well. So I'm going to jump to the compressor. I'm going to turn that on, set the threshold, set my ratio, my attack maybe down to 20. And let's keep the release at 153. So here we have the settings we want for the compressor. So again, you can see that exaggerated EQ, and to copy it from 1 to 2, all we have to do is go to Tools on your screen at the top. And you can see at the top left, we're copying from B1, which is bus 1, at the top here, and I've labeled that in-ear 1. And here's under the scope what you're going to copy, so what attribute of the channel you're going to copy. So in my case, I'm going to click None, and I'm going to click EQ in Dynamics, because I only want to copy the EQ and the compressor. And then you can pick where you want to copy it to. So I want to copy it to in-ear 2, which is my bus 2. So you click bus 2, and you click copy. Now if we click close, just to illustrate, we are still on in-ear 1. You can see the exaggerated EQ here. And if we jump over to in-ear 2, it is now identical. So it has copied those settings. If we move to in-ear 3, you see that there is nothing there. So let's say we want to do all 6 at once. Let's go back to 1. You can see that EQ. We're going to press Tools. Again, we're copying from bus 1 up here at the top. And I can select, I want to go to bus 2, bus 3, bus 4, bus 5, and bus 6 all at the same time. Again, EQ and Dynamics. We're going to copy over. And then we just click the copy button. And we click Close. So now if we cycle through in-ear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 all have the same EQ. So that's a really quick way to copy settings from one bus to multiple buses, or from one bus over to just one other bus. Thanks for joining me today. Again, my name is Mike. You can always find out more on my website, technicallychurch.com, or on my YouTube channel, Technically Church. Look forward to seeing you soon.